All right, a friend gave me this Gerber some time ago, and I want to tell you, I have kept it in my tackle bag. It's a nice folder. I've used it a lot for butterflying baits, catfishing, for cleaning a number of fish, and it is still very sharp. And I'm telling you folks, I'm a tool maker. I know steel. This thing has held this edge really nicely. Okay, we're going to clean this one. I'm going to skin and debone this little rockfish. Okay, start at the back, go all the way up, go back and find the backbone and follow it up. Feel your way along here, see where that goes, go up underneath there and out. Go barely over the backbone and out and out. Now come up underneath here, go all the way to the top. Boom. Flip him over, do the same exact thing on the other side. And I gotta say, we got pretty much all of that one. This is the second side of this fish. There's a little bit of blood right there. This fish might have been injured at one time. He's got a little internal. And Mr. Yellow Jacket, please go away. I'm gonna ask you nicely, please go away. I don't want to, but I will. Come in and cut that rib line away. And now you see every rib that's left in this rock is right there in one line. You can see them. Cut down to the skin, but not through it. And on the other side, do the same thing. And like I say, this is where you cannot use that razor blade Gerber. Use the old skinning butcher knife. Get up underneath it. There you go. Remove the skin away from the flesh. And there's every rib in that rock right there. Take away that fatty tissue around the fin on the top and that little bit off the bottom. There you go. Now let's start at the top, and like I say, with a sawing motion with a sharp knife. All the bloodline left, super thin. And get rid of the rest of that. All of that. There you go. That's that one. Start there in the middle, work that way on this one. that. Razor blade work. All right. I want to say this very proudly. Gerber, you made a heck of a product there. Not only the steel, the design, the point, the stiffness. I love that stiffness in that blade. It's perfect. This is the perfect folding fillet knife.